नमः उत्तरं नक्षत्रदेवताये नमः साधुदर्शनं पापविमोचनं यम नियम आसन प्राणायाम प्रत्याहार धारणा ध्यानम समाधि. These are the 8 limbs and we have finished yama and niyama. Yama has 5 steps. Niyama also has 5 steps. Now the third limb called asana is completely misunderstood by all the acharyas. Asana is not that you stand on one leg or you walk in reverse direction or sit in some difficult pose by making struggle, stress and strain to your body and claim that you are a big yogi. You can do that, you can do this. You have a lot of yoga siddhis. This is not what Patanjali Maharshi was in his tapas defined. Patanjali Maharshi declares that Sthira Sukham iti asanam. That which is comfortable pose for you as per the availability and facility of your body, that is called asana. Of course, there are a lot of asanas. For every animal system, there is asana. You have Marjarasanam, you have Kukkudasanam, Simhasanam, Padmasanam, Ardhapadmasanam, Siddhasanam, all types of asanas. But what was Patanjali Maharshi's intention for the sadhakas is Sthira Sukham. That which is comfortable for you for more and more time without disturbing or without destroying your existence of body. That is called asana. Not that you will sit in one pose by giving stress and strain to your organs and claim that this is comfortable. No. So whatever the condition of your body is, the state that you can regulate your body, regulate your mind, regulate your intellect and sit in a comfortable pose for more and more time is asana. Sthira Sukham. Continuous comfortability. So that is called asana. Only thing that you have to be careful that wherever, however, on whatever you sit in straight position. That your spinal cord is perpendicularized to the earth's magnetic system. The earth gravitational force should be acquired much less than your normal pose. So that more happiness, more comfortability is acquired by you. And be very careful that you don't do any of the asanas, you don't use any of the asanas on bare ground. There should be some medium between the earth's magnetism and you so that the energy created from your yogasanas can be credited to your own body. Let us see that in detail tomorrow. Om Sadhu Darshanam Papa Vimochanam. ओम शांति शांति शांति।